success and happiness are tied to each other, a lot of us, till now, even me, for the longest time, believed that I achieve this and I'll be happy, and then I'll be just calm. I will not be sad anymore, and I will be happy instantly. But does it stop there? It doesn't, right? The next promotion comes, or the next we've from kindergarten all the way till where we are right now, there has always been that you go further, you get this rank, you do this, you do well, you get this promotion, you will be successful, right? We've been taught that. It's just such a conditioning that we have all been through. But the same type of conditioning happened way back ago, right? When people used to believe that the earth was in the center and sun went around it. So what if we are the same level of, we have the same level of falseness, right? What if we are just wrong in the same type of analogy? What if we are just like how there is a heliocentric model that was proposed later and was proven, what if we one day wake up and say, hey, instead of chasing success, if I am already happy, will success follow me? So this is the one thing I wanted to highlight through this small experiment that we did. So already a lot of us are in the first quadrant, where we think we are very successful by our own definitions, and we are happy, which is great. But at the same time, wanted to highlight that this is a usual case, right? Where success and happiness are tied to each other. A lot of us, till now, even me, for the longest time, believed that I achieve this and I'll be happy, and then I'll be just calm. I won't do anything after that, right? That is almost like saying that I will stop, I will not be sad anymore, and I will be happy instantly. But does it stop there? It doesn't, right? The next promotion comes, or the next award comes, or if you're in the academia, then you have to, submit your next paper to the journal and things like that. So I just wanted us to have a small pause and realize that maybe we are making the same mistake as the geocentric versus heliocentric model. So it's time for us to simply say that instead of chasing the happiness, the success part of it, I will first become happy. I will first find small joys and make my life happy. And then success will automatically follow. So I'm just proposing something that we think a little bit like this. And let's look at a few more things that can happen at workplace, which will bring us closer to happiness. So a lot of us go to work, right? We have parents who have seen us through education. They haven't had the best of their generation to choose the line of work that they did. They went to a job because that is what they got after they're finishing their college degree or something like that. My father was given a 100 rupee note and a hold all to go join the armed forces. This was back when he first finished his BSc mathematics, and his father said that is all he can study. There are 4 more kids after him. So a government job in the defense services seemed very respectable. So here you are, first posting Jammu and Kashmir, and that is where he went. So it was a very, not so choice-filled job that he had, but that is what he took. And a lot of respect for all those jobs that help us pay the bills, look after our family, and take care of our loved ones, right? So jobs, in most of our cases, does pay the bill at some level. And then there are jobs which we think is giving us a lot of status, right? We have an immense amount of happiness when we are promoted from, say, director to senior director to assistant CEO to CEO, and all kinds of status kind of thing. And it does inspire us, it motivates us, it helps us become happy, because we feel that a group of people have now recognized our work. And why not? And that is also a very respectable way of looking at what we are doing at work. And then for a few of us, the job is just a calling. Okay, they have reached a point where they don't care for anything that comes out of the job. They just go there because it gives them a sense of purpose. So all three are very respectable aspects of going to work. That is what I want to say here.